Big day for the Aam Aadmi Party today. Well, that leader, the top leader, the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, the Delhi Chief Minister, who continued to function as the Delhi Chief Minister from inside Tihar jail, where I am right now, essentially has walked out a free man. 6 months in jail, facing serious allegations in the liquor gate scam that is being alleged by the Enforcement Directorate and CBI, that the CM, along with the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including the former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, received kickbacks. Today, the workers erupted in joy. Tihar jail saw pictures of workers dancing, dhol, nagara, sweets distribution, firecrackers. In that sense, early Diwali for the people, for the workers really of the Aam Aadmi Party. Listen in to what the Delhi Chief Minister said just moments after he walked out of jail.
अरे यहीं आएंगे भाई, यहीं आएंगे।
मैं आप लोगों के बीच में बाहर लाखों करोड़ों लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। लाखों लोगों ने मन्नत मांगी, लाखों लोगों ने दुआएं की, आशीर्वाद भेजे, प्रार्थना की, मंदिर गए, मस्जिद गए, गुरुद्वारे गए, उन सब लोगों का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। जितनी बारिश हुई, जितनी बड़ी संख्या में आए, दोस्तों, मेरा जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है। मेरे जिंदगी का एक एक पल, मेरे शरीर का एक एक कतरा, मेरे खून का एक एक कतरा देश के लिए समर्पित है। मैंने जिंदगी में बहुत संघर्ष किया है, बहुत बड़ा संघर्ष किया है, जिंदगी में बहुत मुसीबतें झेली है, लेकिन हर कदम पे भगवान ने मेरा साथ दिया। ऊपर वाले ने मेरा साथ दिया। क्यों? क्योंकि मैं सच्चा था, मैं सही था, इसलिए भगवान ने मेरा साथ दिया। इन लोगों ने मुझे जेल में डाल दिया। इन लोगों को लगा कि केजरीवाल को जेल में डाल देंगे तो केजरीवाल के हौसले टूट जाएंगे। आज मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं, मैं जेल से बाहर आया हूं, मेरे हौसले 100 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गए हैं। मेरी ताकत 100 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गई है। इनकी जेल की मोटी मोटी दीवारें, इनकी जेल की सलाखें केजरीवाल के हौसले को कमजोर नहीं कर सकती। मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूं, जैसे आज तक ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को रास्ता दिखाया, ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को ताकत दी, ऐसे ही भगवान मुझे रास्ता दिखाता रहे, मैं देश की सेवा करता रहूं।
Right, and just a few moments ago, I had a word with MLA Somnath Bharti on what he thinks about what the Chief Minister said the moment he stepped out of jail, and that the fact the BJP has been saying that this isn't acquittal. What exactly is the Aam Aadmi Party celebrating about is the question that the BJP has been asking all day. Listening to what Somnath Bharti said, also Raghav Chadha of the Aam Aadmi Party.
See, today, the way he addressed all of us was of somebody who has thought of everything what he's supposed to do now. In view of the judgment, which categorically stated that CBI has been used as caged parrot, CBI's arrest was illegal, CBI, the way they arrested Arvind Kejriwal ji the moment they got bail from ED, that was all a conspirational affair. So in that view, when Kejriwal ji said, I have come 100 times more stronger, and that is to be noted, BJP could not break Arvind Kejriwal.
A bigger boost is this for the upcoming Haryana elections and the elections in Delhi next year. Given that the morale of the workers would be down, many of the leaders were behind bars.
No, if you look at the entire thing, the way BJP treated Aam Aadmi Party, that proved that BJP considers Aam Aadmi Party as the main opposition. All the leaders behind the bar, still they failed to break my party. Still they failed to, break the resolve and the willpower of Arvind Kejriwal, Mr. Sodhia, Sanjay Singh ji.
The BJP has been saying that this is not even acquittal. What is the Aam Aadmi Party celebrating? Its procedure is the word that the BJP has used today throughout.
Do you recall what they used to say earlier? They used to say, "Acha, agar nirdosh hai to bail kyun nahi milta?" Today they are saying something else. And today they are failing to read the judgment properly. Read para number 42, read para number 44, read para number 38. Today, if there is little shame, Mr. Amit Shah ji should resign today.
हम सब के लिए, पूरे आम आदमी पार्टी के परिवार के लिए आज एक बड़ा दिन है, लोकतंत्र के लिए एक बड़ा दिन है। जिस प्रकार से आज संविधान की जीत हुई है, न्याय की जीत हुई है और इस देश के सबसे बड़े न्याय के मिशन ने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को फौरन रिहा करने का आदेश दिया है, इसके लिए हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट की गहराइयों से सुप्रीम कोर्ट का शुक्रिया।
Alright, and we have more news coming in at this point in time. The BJP is gone after the Aam Aadmi Party, asking what are you celebrating for? Remember, just a few moments ago, party workers essentially were bursting firecrackers right outside the Tihar jail. BJP says of hypocrisy on cracker pollution. Crackers have been banned in Delhi. How is it the Aam Aadmi Party workers are bursting firecrackers? Listening to what the BJP's had to say.
अभी 3 दिन पहले हमें बताया गया था कि पटाखों से दिल्ली में प्रदूषण होता है। बताने वाले गोपाल राय से मैं पूछता हूं, अब इन पटाखों से कुछ नहीं होगा क्या जो मुख्यमंत्री के दरवाजे पे जल रहे हैं? मैं गोपाल राय को चुनौती देता हूं कि अगर हिम्मत है, ईमानदारी है, तो या तो दिवाली पे जलने वाले पटाखों से भी प्रतिबंध हटाएं, रामलीला में जलने वाले पटाखों से भी प्रतिबंध लगाएं, या फिर इस कलयुगी रावण के जेल से छूटने पे जो पटाखे जल रहे हैं उन पर प्रतिबंध लगाए, उन्हें रोके और उन्हें जलाने वालों पर कानूनी कार्रवाई करे। वीडियो साक्ष्य हैं।
Alright, now what really happened was that when the Delhi Chief Minister, just before he was about to walk out of jail, Aam Aadmi Party workers declared bursting crackers. Remember, there's been a ban on crackers, bursting firecrackers in Delhi for weeks now, essentially. I'm now going to go across to Praveen Shankar Kapoor, the BJP leader, who has in fact spoken about this exactly. He's joining us on the phone line right now. Thank you for your time. I, in fact, myself saw firecrackers being burst right here at Tihar jail. This, of course, is in violation of the Delhi government's own policy of ban on firecrackers, sir.
It is shocking to see Aam Aadmi Party workers brazenly and shamelessly violating the ban on crackers imposed by their own government just 4 days back. I wish to ask Mr. Gopal Rai, if our Hindu festival crackers, the festival crackers pollute the atmosphere, then do the crackers being burnt by Aam Aadmi Party workers sending oxygen and nitrogen or vitamin or proteins to the atmosphere? Such a hypocrisy is not expected. Delhi is a capital of the country and we expect Aam Aadmi Party to be fair. If they expect the people to accept the ban on crackers during festivals, then they should have stopped their own party workers from burning crackers. And if they have not stopped them, then it means that it is promoted by Aam Aadmi Party, it is promoted by Arvind Kejriwal, promoted by Gopal Rai, and action must be taken.
This action must be taken. I'm going to thank you for joining in. So essentially, action must be taken because if you're prohibiting firecrackers during Hindu festivals, why is that today firecrackers were allowed? Abhishek Anand is joining us. Also, Amit Bhardwaj is in fact at Civil Lines, the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister in North Delhi. Abhishek is from the Chandigram Akhada. Abhishek, give us a sense of what's happening where you are. An important day for the Aam Aadmi Party and the workers here who are celebrating, given that is much needed relief for the Delhi Chief Minister, whose many pleas in courts of law, various courts of law, essentially previously went unheard. Today, finally, the Supreme Court granted him bail.
Well, Sneha, it's continuously raining, but it has absolutely failed to dampen the spirit of Aam Aadmi Party workers and Aam Aadmi Party leaders. The CM is expected to arrive here any time, and all these workers here have gathered to start a road show. Remember, this road show is a message. This road show will be a message for the Aam Aadmi Party cadre who has been waiting for Arvind Kejriwal since long, that the party is going to contest all the elections successfully and their leader is out. So these people are waiting. Most of them are the newly elected corporators, the councillors of Delhi. Remember, the MCD is also being ruled by the Aam Aadmi Party, and most of them are the councillors. And these people are waiting in the rain for the CM, and look at the placards, the cutouts. They are now this kind of slogans, all these kind of slogans are being raised, that jail ke tale toot gaye, Arvind Kejriwal chhoot gaye, and the CM's cutouts are also there. They have been waiting here. It's raining, it's pouring downpour, but still you can see there are people, there are Aam Aadmi Party leaders, supporters, led by the Minister Gopal Rai, who is also here, and they are waiting for the CM. Now he will be arriving here any time. As you can see on the TV screen, all the workers are looking at that end of the street. Over to you, Sneha.
Difficult time, Abhishek, hasn't it been for the workers? For the last 2 years, one after the other, senior leaders of the party, the top rung, Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister previously, was in fact sent behind bars. Also Sanjay Singh. We saw Satyendra Jain. Then came the turn of the Delhi Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal. It's been a difficult time for a new party, which has now in fact been in power, but been in existence only for a couple of years or so, isn't it? All right, we'll just connect with Abhishek in a moment from now, but these are details right now. The Chief Minister will be addressing the workers. Remember, the next few days and weeks are going to be extremely important from the Aam Aadmi Party, where the Chief Minister, now out on bail, is not going to be able to discharge his duties as the Delhi Chief Minister. But elections around the corner in Haryana and in Delhi next year, and that is going to be crucial. I'm going to now go straight across to Amit Bhardwaj, where he is at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. Let's take a listen.
आप लोगों का बहुत सारा काम पेंडिंग पड़ा हुआ है, कैसे निपटेंगे इस स्थिति से?
देखिए, बिना मेहनत के हासिल तक तो ताज नहीं होता, जुगनू कभी किसी रोशनी का मोहताज नहीं होता। अरविंद केजरीवाल आम आदमी पार्टी एक रोशनी है, वो ऐसी जुगनू है जो रोशनी पैदा करती है, रोशनी दिखाने वाली है, और नई लेवल की पॉलिटिक्स जो है अरविंद केजरीवाल आम आदमी पार्टी ने पैदा करी थी, उस पॉलिटिक्स को बल मिलेगा, उस राजनीति को बल मिलेगा, और दिल्ली की जनता बहुत समय से उसका।
देखिए, आप नेता आज कभी भी बन रहे हैं, एक के साथ एक पंच लाइन्स के साथ तैयार हैं। एक और विधायक है हमारे साथ। सवाल वही है पवन जी कि अब हरियाणा में चुनाव है, कैसे आप लोग पार्टी को मजबूत करेंगे? दिल्ली में भी चुनाव के लिए बहुत समय नहीं है।
देखिए, आज सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि सबसे बड़ा खुशी का दिन है। आज माननीय उच्च न्यायालय ने भाजपा के केंद्र सरकार पे मुंह पे तमाचा मारा है और प्रजातंत्र डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जी के संविधान से ये देश चलता है, ये मैसेज दिया है।
देखिए, बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर के संविधान का हवाला और सीबीआई केस पर किए जी।
All right, so in fact, these are celebrations which are underway, and expect these celebrations to continue in the next few days and weeks to come. There undoubtedly is going to be a show of strength by the Aam Aadmi Party today, and of course strategizing that will begin for the elections. Haryana is underway. Delhi just very, very soon. Early next year, in the month of February, is when Delhi is expected to go to polls. What does this mean for the Aam Aadmi Party? The CM will not be discharging his duties as the Chief Minister. However, electorally and for the future of the Aam Aadmi Party, this in fact comes as great news. The Delhi Chief Minister now, who's facing allegations in the Liquorgate scam today, has walked out a free man.